Hello, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Now, if you are starting to get into learning how to handle electrical work, and hopefully you're taking the formal training if you are, or if you're just wanting to learn more about it, this is a device that you're going to be very pleased with the number of options it has. It has near electrical detection, so you just saw the button passing you as it turned around. This is something that allows you to sense if a line is hot. Even if you think the breaker is off, this is going to be something that will help you detect that. It can help you find out if the stove is at the temperature it says that it's at. You can detect current with the clamp meter, and that's what the technical term for this is. It's called a clamp meter. You can either do it with AC or DC, and that's an important thing to note because not all of the ones I've run across will do it both ways. Now, when you're doing that, and you'll find more about this in the directions, you need to be doing just detecting over a single wire. If you're doing over several wires, it won't register. But it is, you name it, it's got it. And it's got probe ports on the bottom, and they send you both a thermocouple for doing temperature detection. You've got a set of probes, so if you're doing something even as simple as doing checking the ability of a battery, depending on what power it says it's throwing out. If you're checking the output of a power supply because you're either working with some radio equipment or something else and it just doesn't seem to power up, you can use this meter for that. It's a handy, you name it, it does a little bit of everything. And as you can see in the back of the video, it does come with a nice case, decent manual to it. I always, whenever possible, will keep the manual at the back of the case just so if there's any question, if I've used it for a while, that I've got everything I need. Also, if you're not going to use this for a period of time, I do suggest removing the batteries, because that you don't want to get into a meter, need to use it, and find out the batteries have leaked all over the unit, and then you got a real mess on your hands, because sometimes it's simply easier to go out and get another meter, because what it's going to cost you to clean it up, you may have more damage than what you can readily see. So take care of your gear and it will last a long time.